Hi everyone. So today we have Hitachi 462E. It's from 1990s. We did full service for it, changed the belts, cleaned the heads, changed the lighting bulbs, and also we did manage to install Bluetooth. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay, works just fine. And it actually sounds very well. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves. So simply press the band button a couple times. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now we are on Bluetooth mode. Okay, let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is. And the Bluetooth is connected. You can go to any music you have on your phone. Simply play it. Cool, right? Let's try another song. It's really simple to use. When you want to back to your regular radio or cassette player, simply press the band button once or a couple times again until you're back to FM mode. That's it. Now it's FM, now you're on regular radio. Okay guys, thumbs up.